a step-by-step tutorial on Temu affiliate program. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The Temu affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting products from the platform. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for a Temu affiliate program page and tap on it. Now, tap on the Get Started button you see there and fill out the registration form with your personal and promotional details. After submitting your application, wait for approval. Temu reviews applicants to ensure they meet the program's criteria. Once approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard and access your unique affiliate links for Temu products or campaigns. You can also share your affiliate links via blogs, websites, social media platforms, or email newsletters. You should make sure to create an engaging content to attract potential buyers. You can earn up to 20% commission on sales made through your links. Temu also offers additional rewards such as bonuses for first-time referrals or volume-based incentives. You can use the affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks, sales, and commission earnings in real time. Make sure that the payments are processed according to the terms outlined during sign-up. Ensure you meet the minimum payout threshold and have provided accurate payment details. So this was about Temu affiliate program. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.